The counter which require maximum number of FF for a given mod counter is A. Ripple counter, B. BCD counter, C. Ring counter, D. Programmed counter. The correct answer is ring counter. 4 inputs A, B, C, D are fed to a NOR gate. The output of NOR gate is fed to an inverter. The output of inverter is A, A, B, C, D, B, A, B, C, D, C, A, B, C, D, D, A, B, C, D. The correct answer is A, B, C, D. The content of which of the following determines the state of the CPU at the end of the execute cycle when the interrupt is recognized? A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3. In a gate, output is low if and only if all inputs are high. The gate is A or B and C NOR, D none. The correct answer is none. With on-chip decoding N address lines can access A 2 in memory locations, B 2 in 2 memory locations, C 2 in memory locations, D in 2 memory location. The correct answer is 2 in memory locations. The circuit in the figure has 2 CMOS-NOR gates. This circuit functions as A flip-flop, B Schmitt trigger, C monostable multivibrator, D astable multivibrator. The correct answer is monostable multivibrator. A 6-bit DAC uses binary weighted resistors. If MSB resistor is 20 k ohm, the value of LSB resistor is A 20 k ohm, B 80 k ohm, C 320 k ohm, D 640 k ohm. The correct answer is 640 k ohm. A 6-bit dual-slope AD converter uses a reference of 6V and a 1 MHz clock. It uses a fixed count of 40101000. Then what will be input if the output register shows 100111 at the end of conversion? A 5.85V, B 6V, C 5V, D 10V. The correct answer is 5.85V. In the TTL circuit in the figure, S2 to S0 are select lines and X7 to X0 are input lines. S0 and X0 are LSBs. The output Y is A indeterminate, B AB, C AB, D C, ABC, AB. The correct answer is AB. The number of accumulators in 6800 are A2, B3, C1, D4. The correct answer is 2. If an analog voltage is expressed in binary using 4 bits, each successive binary count would represent A of total voltage, B of total voltage, C of total voltage, D of total voltage. The correct answer is of total voltage. In a 4-input AND gate, the total number of high outputs for 16 input states are A16, B8, C4, D1. The correct answer is 1. Symmetrical square wave of time period 100s can be obtained from square wave of time period 10s by using A divide by 5 circuit, B divide by 2 circuit, C divide by 5 circuit followed by divide by 2 circuit, D BCD counter. The correct answer is divide by 5 circuit followed by divide by 2 circuit. The Boolean expression for the shaded area in the Venn diagram is AXYZ, BXYZ XYZ, CXYZ XY, DXYZ. The correct answer is XYZ XY. The initial state of a mod 16 counter is 0110. After 37 clock pulses the state of counter will be A 1011, B 0110, C 010, D 0001. The correct answer is 1011. A 14-pin AND gate I has AND gates A8, B6, C4, D2. The correct answer is 4. In 8085 microprocessor, how many lines are there in data bus? A6, B8, C2, D16. The correct answer is 8. The basic shift register operations are A serial in serial out, B serial in parallel out, C parallel in serial out, D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The hexadecimal number A0 has the decimal value A80, B 256, C 100, D 160. The correct answer is 160. A 4-bit ripple counter is in 0000 state. The clock pulses are applied and then removed. The counter reads 0011. The number of clock pulses which have occurred are A3, B3 or 19, C3 or 19 or 35, D none of the above. The correct answer is 3 or 19 or 35. TTL logic is preferred to DRL logic because A greater fan-out is possible, B greater logic levels are possible, C greater fan-in is possible, D less power consumption is achieved. The correct answer is greater fan-out is possible. In the circuit of the given figure V0, A 5V, B 3.1V, C 2.5V, D 0. The correct answer is 5V. A parallel in parallel out shift register can be used to introduce delay in digital circuits. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. In following figure, the initial contents of the 4-bit serial in parallel out right shift register as shown in figure are 0110. After 3 clock pulses, the contents of the shift register will be A 0000, B 0101, C 1010, D 1110. The correct answer is 1010. Binary multiplication can be done by repeated addition. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A 4-bit synchronous counter uses flip-flops with a delay time of 15 ns each. The time required for change of state is A 15 ns, B 30 ns, C 45 ns, D 60 ns. The correct answer is 15 ns. What do the contents of instruction register specify? A operand for the instruction being executed, B opcode for the instruction being executed, C opcode for the instruction to be executed next, D operand for the instruction to be executed next. The correct answer is opcode for the instruction being executed. In the decimal number 27, the digital 2 represents A2, B20, C 0.2, D 200. The correct answer is 20. Which of the following is true? A SOP is a 2-level logic. B POS is a 2-level logic. C both SOP and POS are 2-level logic. D hybrid function is 2-level logic. The correct answer is both SOP and POS are 2-level logic. E7 F6 16, A6 lakhs 10, B 59,382 10, C 9,382 10. D 38210. The correct answer is 59,38210. What is the normal range of analog input voltage? A 0 to 1 V, B 0 to 5 V, C 5 to 15 V, D 15 V to 30 V. The correct answer is 0 to 5 V. For the design of a sequential circuit having 9 states, minimum number of memory elements required is A 3, B 4, C 5, D 9. The correct answer is 4. ICs are A analog, B digital, C both analog and digital, D mostly analog. The correct answer is both analog and digital. In a 5x7 dot matrix format to store 64 alphanumeric characters, we require A 1120 bits, B 2240 bits, C 33 bits, D 64 bits. The correct answer is 2240 bits. A digital system is required to amplify a binary encoded audio signal. The user should be able to control the gain of the amplifier from a minimum to a maximum in 100 increments. The minimum number of bits required to encode in straight binary is A8, B6, C5, D7. The correct answer is 7. A 4-bit transistor register has output voltage of high-low. The binary number stored and its decimal equivalent are A0101 and 5, B0101 and 10, C1010 and 5, D1010 and 10. The correct answer is 1010 and 10. Hexadecimal number F is called to octal number A15, B16, C17, D18. The correct answer is 17. A half adder can be used only for adding A1S, B2S, C4S, D8S. The correct answer is 1S. In the 8421 BCD code, the decimal number 125 is written as A111101, B0001, 0010, 0101, C7D. D none of these. The correct answer is 111101. 110.112x 110 to 10, A 40.5, B 30.5, C 20.5, D 10.5. The correct answer is 40.5. YAB is the same as AYAB, BYAB, CYAB, DYAB. The correct answer is YAB.